starting this 6.75 Craftsman lawnmower. I know it doesn't have the sticker of the horsepower, but I remembered how it looked. Brakes in should add an engine. Fresh start. So check the gas. Has gas. And oil. Has oil. I know it. I just had it on already. Smooth start, ready start, no prime, no choke. MRS, it has the no prime, no choke symbol here because there's no primer, as you could see. The blue cord has a blue handle. I don't know why I said it. Blue cord. That's the full video of me starting this Craftsman 6.75 horsepower made in USA, the engine. And it comes with it came with the bag. Just I didn't bring it here. I'm sticking out some grass so it doesn't start a grass fire. Because it actually could if there's grass in here. So I'm going to do a warm start. And then the video's going to be over. Oh, and also I just tell you after this video I'm starting another lawnmower. So now it's the full video of me starting the Craftsman lawnmower. I found on the side of the road. When I found it, everything was like dirty, stuff like that. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. Bye.